Welcome students. Come to next question. Third question. Arrange the following as directed. Some rates are given and you have to arrange these species according to the given instructions. First, aluminum atom, aluminum dipositive ion and aluminum positive ion according to their increasing size. You know that size of a cation is always smaller than its parent atom. It means aluminum tripositive ion is the smallest ion, then dipositive ion, and aluminum dipositive ion is smaller than aluminum ion. So the correct order is increasing size, means Al triple plus, then Al double plus, then Al. This is increasing size. Increasing size means tiny radius. First question is clear. Second question. Oxygen atom, oxygen mononegative ion and oxide ion, means oxygen dinegative ion. This question is based on the fact that an ion is always larger than its parent atom. So maximum size, increasing size, maximum size is that for O double negative and minimum for oxygen atom. It means the correct answer is oxygen, then O negative, then O double negative. This is increasing size. Increasing size. Next, I negative, I positive. Increasing electronegativity. Since electronegativity is the tendency to attract shared electron pair towards itself in a molecule, and electronegativity value increases with the increasing positive charge for a particular atom and decreases with increasing negative charge. So in this case, I negative is the most electronegative and I positive is the most electronegative and I negative is the least electronegative, and it is to be arranged in increasing order. So the increasing electronegativity, I negative, then I positive. This is the correct order of increasing electronegativity. Next is increasing electronegativity. FCl, Bri, chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine in the order of increasing electron affinity. In general, electron affinity decreases from top to bottom in periodic table. That's why chlorine should be the element having highest value of electron affinity. But it is wrong. Maximum electron affinity is that for chlorine. So the increasing order is I, then Br, then F, then Cl. This is the correct and very important order for board examination. How important. Next order is sodium, silicon, chlorine and magnesium. Increasing metallic character. First of all, find each elements belongs to which period or which group. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Elements of third period. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. These are the elements of third period. And in this question, all the elements belong to third period. Metallic characters of the element decreases from left to right. Then what is the correct order? Metallic character. Sodium is the strongest metal, then magnesium, and then silicon, which is metal ion, and finally chlorine. This is the decreasing order of decreasing metallic character. Decreasing metallic character. Next question. Decreasing metallic character. Increasing non-metallic character. So first of all, find these elements belong to which period or group. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine are elements of second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. These are the elements of same period, period number second. And non-metallic character in a period increases from left to right. So the most non-metallic element is fluorine. It means lithium, then beryllium, then carbon, then oxygen, and then fluorine. This is the correct order of increasing non-metallic character. Increasing non-metallic character. Next, some oxides of elements are given, and these are sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminum oxide, silicon dioxide, phosphorus pentoxide, and periodic table says that basic nature of oxides decreases from left to right. It means these oxides belong to which period of the element? Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. Same period, means third period. And in third period, basic nature decreases from left to right, and acidic nature increases from left to right. So increasing basic character is what? Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. The most metallic element is sodium, whose oxide is strongest base, means so Na2O. Then MgO, then Al2O3, then SiO2, then P2O5. This is the increasing basic character of oxides. Basic character of oxides. Next one is decreasing chemical reactivity. These elements belong to same group: lithium, potassium, sodium, cesium. Means alkali metals. These are alkali metals. In case of groups, these are the same group elements: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. In groups, from top to bottom, metallic character increases. Metallic character increases from top to bottom. And in this question, reactivity is given. Chemical reactivity of metals. In case of metals, chemical reactivity increases from top to bottom. But in case of non-metals, it decreases from top to bottom. In case of fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, chemical reactivity increases from bottom to top. And in case of metals, chemical reactivity increases from top to bottom. This is opposite order with respect to chemical reactivity. And in case of periods, any of the periods, first chemical reactivity chemical reactivity decreases and then increases. For example, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. In a period, chemical reactivity first decreases, then increases. Means this is the order of chemical reactivity in a period. And this is the order of chemical reactivity for metals and that for non-metal. Chemical reactivity of metal increases from top to bottom, and chemical reactivity of non-metal decreases from top to bottom or increases from bottom to top. So in this case, lithium, potassium, sodium and cesium. Decreasing chemical reactivity means cesium is the most reactive, then potassium, then sodium, then lithium. This is the decreasing order. Cesium, potassium, then sodium, then lithium. This is the decreasing reactivity of metals, these metals. Next, fluorine, bromine and iodine, increasing chemical reactivity. This is the order. I is the least reactive, while fluorine means F is the most reactive. And last question, some oxides are given with ammonia gas. Ammonia is basic gas, nitrogen dioxide is acidic gas, and these are neutral gases. So what is the increasing? Acidic character. Ammonia is basic, and H3 is basic gas. Then neutral gases increasing, NO and NO2 both are neutral gases, NO and 2O, then NO2. This is the correct order of increasing acidic character of oxides. And one question is given for your homework, and this is differentiate between the following terms. First one is electronegativity and electronaffinity. Electronegativity is the tendency of an element in a molecule to attract shear electron pair towards itself. It has no unit. And electronaffinity is the energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom to form its cation. And electron affinity of element is given in kilocalorie per mole or kilojoule per mole. Next term is atomic radius, covalent radius and van der Waals radius. Atomic radius, covalent radius and van der Waals radius. Atomic radius is the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost cell. If two atoms touching each other, not overlapping, we are touching each other, then half of the internuclear distance is called atomic radius. This is called atomic radius. If two atoms, identical atom, forms a covalent bond by the overlapping, then half of the internuclear distance is called covalent. This is atomic radius. This is covalent radius and van der Waals radius. When two atoms or molecules come in close but not touch each other or not overlap, then half of the distance between the half of the internuclear distance in closest approach is called van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius. It means covalent radius is the smallest radius and van der Waals radius is the largest radius. This radius is mainly found in crystals of noble gases. This radius is mainly found in covalent compounds, and this is the atomic radius, a single atom radius. Next, atomic radius and ionic radius. It is already clear. Periods and periodicity. Periods are the horizontal rows in periodic table, while periodicity means recurrence, or you can say repetition of the properties of elements is called periodicity. This is all about lesson first, that is periodic table, periodic properties and variation in periodic property. From next lecture, next lesson, that is chemical bonding, will start. Wait for it.